You are welcome to this presentation. This is algebra 2, a mathematics channel, and thanks for watching. We have our math trick in here, which requires us to simplify it so that we can get the correct response to it. So let us have our response in here, and please, if you are on this channel, subscribe for more updates of mathematics, and for better understanding, watch up to the end. So let us have the response. And let us begin with the wrong approach of doing this. The majority of students would fail by using the wrong approach. Remember, we have the 2 minus the 2 into the 2, take away the 2. So we are asking ourselves, this is equal to which response? So as we simplify this, wrongly, one could say that now 2 minus 2 to give us the 0. Then also say that this is a bracket, it means also multiplication. Then say that 2, take away the 2 to give us 0. Then the 0 multiplied by 0 to give us 0. But guess what? This answer 0 as a response is completely wrong. It is not correct. So now let us have the correct approach or the correct working of this expression. So this is the right working of the expression. We have the 2 minus the 2 into the 2 minus 2. So in here we follow body mass. We shouldn't forget body mass, whereby B stands for the brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and then lastly, A stands for subtraction. And the order, the priority decreases in this order, meaning that the priority is first given to digits or values enclosed in brackets. So in here, that means we are going to first deal with whichever is in brackets here as our first step, implying that in here we are going to have 2 minus the 2. Then as we simplify what is in bracket, we are getting 0. Remember, since this is 2 nearest to the brackets, it means that multiplied by the 0 we have got by subtracting 2 from 2. So in here, we can say that we have 2 operation symbols. We have subtraction and multiplication. As we reverse the body mass, we can say that multiplication comes first before subtraction. So it simply means that we are going to first deal with this before we subtract. So that means we have 2 minus, then the 2 multiplied by 0, and a number multiplied by 0, we get a 0. So implying that in here, if we subtract the 0 from 2, we are getting our value or response to be 2. Implying that for our expression, which is the 2 minus the 2 into brackets, 2 minus 2 equals to the 2, but not 0. And if this video has been of help or of value to you, you can subscribe to the channel algebra 2 for more mathematics videos in form of lessons, items, and math tricks. See you again next time. Goodbye.